In South Africa, Kruger National Park is a treasure of wildlife and wonder. But beyond its gates, millions face a silent crisis: hunger. For communities on Kruger's edges, meat, a cornerstone of health and strength, is a luxury, with supermarket prices out of reach for those earning pennies a day. Malnutrition weakens bodies and futures. Yet a solution roams nearby: elephants. In the early years of 1970, Kruger turned surplus elephants into affordable tinned meat, feeding thousands. Today, with the park's ecosystem under strain, reviving regulated elephant meat distribution could nourish the poorest of the poor while saving biodiversity. This is a story of survival, for people and nature.
In the 1970s, Kruger National Park faced an elephant population boom. To protect the park's delicate balance, managers harvested selectively, turning necessity into opportunity. Elephant meat was processed into high-protein tinned meat and biltong, sold cheaply to nearby communities. It was a lifeline, nutritious, accessible, and local. Families who couldn't dream of buying beef ate well, children grew stronger, and elders stayed healthy. This wasn't exploitation. It was stewardship, sustainable use, using nature's abundance to feed those in need while keeping the park's ecosystem intact. Today, that model should return, addressing both hunger and an urgent ecological crisis. Here's the math. An average African elephant yields about 1,000 kilograms of edible meat after processing, comparable to venison, lean and packed with nutrition. That's 4 to 5 times the meat of a cow. Rich in protein, higher per gram than beef, iron, 46% more than beef, zinc, and B vitamins, it's a superfood for fighting malnutrition. One elephant can provide 10,000 servings of 100 grams, enough to feed 1,000 people a protein-rich meal daily for 10 days, or 200 families for a month. For villages near Kruger, this could mean regular, sustainable protein without reliance on distant markets or aid.
Now the urgency: Kruger's elephant population has surged to 30,000, far beyond the park's sustainable carrying capacity of 7,000. This overpopulation is a crisis. Elephants strip trees, destroy grasslands, and threaten other species, unraveling the park's biodiversity. Culling, though tough, is a necessary tool when relocation or contraceptives fall short. The Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species (CITES) regulates this tightly, with South Africa's annual quota of 150 elephants ensuring sustainability. By culling older or surplus elephants, we protect the ecosystem while providing meat to communities. This isn't about reducing elephants to numbers, it's about balance, saving the park's future, and feeding those who need it most. Local distribution programs could deliver meat fairly, reduce human-elephant conflicts, and foster community support for conservation.
The poorest deserve more than hunger, they deserve solutions. Regulated culling can feed thousands, ease pressure on Kruger's ecosystem, and preserve its beauty for generations. One elephant, sustainably harvested, means meals for a village, strength for children, and a healthier park. It's a small but powerful step to control overpopulation while honoring both human and animal lives. Let's revive this approach, blending compassion with conservation. Join us. How can we feed the hungry and save biodiversity together? Share your ideas below.